Traders, we're happy you liked our previous 2 videos about AI trading indicators. So we started doing our research with a goal to find more TradingView indicators that are AI-based. For the past 2 days we have been testing different options and finally found a truly unique artificial intelligence indicator that has the highest success ratio. We're sure you'll like this one as well. So, how can we add this indicator to our chart? Well, first open any chart on TradingView and navigate to the Indicators section. Type AI engulfing candle. The script you're looking for is this one right here. As you can see, this is a new indicator and not a lot of people know about it yet. Once you've applied it, the chart should look like this. The AI engulfing candle is a trading indicator designed to find bearish and bullish engulfing price patterns. If you're not familiar with this type of pattern, don't worry, we will explain it in a second. The engulfing bar is the easiest of all chart patterns to identify, and, as such, if all engulfing bar characteristics are met, the trade will be successful, whether it is a reversal pattern or a continuation pattern. The engulfing bar is one of traders' favorite candlestick patterns because it gives a reliable signal and it is very easy to identify. This is a key feature of successful trading, as it only needs 2 candlesticks to form what is called the engulfing bars pattern. It is the most easily identifiable pattern of all chart patterns. The engulfing bar is a reversal pattern or signal and is formed when the latest candle completely engulfs the candle to its left. Depending on the last candle, there are 2 types of engulfing price bars, bullish and bearish. So how is this indicator any special, you might ask? And why do we need it in the first place? Well, let's run a quick experiment. For this experiment we will add a regular engulfing candlestick indicator to the chart. Right away we notice that the signals given by these 2 indicators are different. We can see that a regular engulfing candlestick indicator detects every single engulfing pattern it finds. This can often result in confusion and a lot of false entries. Alternatively, our AI-based indicator is more accurate and almost never gives signals in a ranging market. This fact alone can take your trade entries to the next level. Imagine you only took high probability trades that have an 80 or even 90% success rate. Even with a risk-to-reward ratio of 1:1, you would make a ton of money. But what's the secret behind this AI indicator, you might ask? Well, the nature behind it isn't as complicated as you might think. The reason the signals given by this indicator are so much accurate is that they are filtered by the relative strength index. The logic is simple. A bullish engulfing price bar is displayed only if it occurs when the RSI is oversold. Hence, a bearish engulfing candle is shown only if it happens to be in place when the RSI is overbought. However, since the indicator is AI-based, it learns from its previous performance and attempts to improve the quality of the signals. Even though this script can be really accurate at times, we shouldn't always blindly follow its signals. That's why we need to add some extra confirmations before we can consider these signals as valid. For that, access the indicators again and search for Fluid Trades SMC by PMGIF. The next step is to open its settings and hide everything except support and resistance levels. The Fluid Trades SMC indicator plots key levels on the chart by showing the areas of supply and demand. When the price reaches these levels, there is a high probability of a reversal occurring. In combination with our smart engulfing candlestick indicator, we can identify when market participants show the most interest in buying and selling the stock. Before buying, we should ensure that the price has been rejected by the level of support. Remember, the candle bar must not close below the blue line. Once we have that, wait for the AI indicator to give a buy signal. Open a buy position at the close of the price bar and target 2 times the risk. Stop losses should be placed below the support area. Adjust the stop loss to break even once you've made half the profit. Traders, if you're enjoying the content, be sure to leave a like for this video. Also subscribe to our fast-growing community for more videos like this in the future. As you can see, traders, the rules are very easy to follow. Let's take a look at one more by example. Here the market respected the major level of support. After that, the indicator found a bullish engulfing pattern. All conditions are met for placing an order to buy. For sell entries, the price must first retest the resistance level. This is where the majority of traders take their profits, which results in a drop in price. The indicator finds a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. We follow the rules and enter a sell trade. We placed a stop loss above the level of resistance and target 2 times the risk. Traders, remember not to risk more than 5% of your account per position. Risk management is everything when it comes to success in trading. You can have the most accurate entry signals in the world, but if your risk management is poor, you will lose money long term. Never exit a trade too early. You might feel excited about the profit you're making on a trade, but this doesn't matter, since the price hasn't hit your take profit target yet. Any profit that isn't realized yet isn't a win. Be patient and let the strategy do what it is supposed to do. That is the only way to make it in this business. Also be sure to backtest every strategy before trading live. Trader Edge can help you with that. This is currently the most efficient backtesting app out there. It gives you all the information you need about your strategy, such as the win ratio, profit and loss, profit factor and maximum drawdown. If you don't know how to properly backtest a strategy, Trader Edge will provide you with a free step-by-step backtesting course. You will also get a free course about how to create highly profitable trading strategies yourself. Its current value is $200. You will also get access to some of the best indicators and strategies that have been proven to work. The indicators are available for MT4 platform as well. Some of them have a win ratio of over 75%, which is truly amazing. Trader Edge has a free trial, so you have nothing to lose. Do not hesitate to make such an investment in your trading skills. We guarantee it will pay off in the future. Check it out. The link will be in the description of this video.